month marks 1 year since a car went off the 198, killing a young boy in Delaware Park. And News 4 has learned the Sugorovskiy family is suing the city of Buffalo, Erie County, and the driver involved in the crash.
News 4's Callan Gray is here now with the details. Callan?
Don, Jackie, according to the court documents filed in the last month, the Sugorovskiy family says the city failed to protect people walking in Delaware Park. The county failed to take action for prior accidents there, and the driver was negligent.
The car came off the 198, hit two kids. Trying to get there.
On May 30th, 2015, in a matter of seconds, the Sugorovskiy family suffered an unimaginable tragedy. A driver goes off the 198 and hits the family, walking along Ring Road in Delaware Park. 5-year-old Stephanie Sugorovskiy suffers a head injury and 2 broken legs. Her 3-year-old brother Maxim dies from his injuries.
We have a driver of the striking vehicle. He is cooperating with us. We have him in custody.
News 4 chooses not to identify the driver since charges were never filed. Investigators say he fell asleep at the wheel. A day after the crash, Governor Andrew Cuomo orders the speed limit to be reduced on the Scojaquada from 50 miles per hour to 30 miles per hour, and then Jersey barriers are installed. A memorial gathers where young Maxim was killed as the Sugorovskiy family and community mourn.
When God calls us home, sometimes His greatest warriors and angels are His youngest souls.
In an interview with News 4 in the days after the crash, Mary and Wally Sugorovskiy described Maxim as a gentle, sweet boy.
He was born with a gift, and that was a gift of kindness.
As the family says goodbye, they also begin to think about who is responsible for Maxim's death.
There was no guardrail here, as we all know.
News 4 spoke in June with Mark Cantor, Maxim's granduncle and injury attorney, who says the family considers taking legal action. The State Department of Transportation would install guide rails days after the accident, but at the time of the crash, there's a clear path from the road into the park. Cantor says the family brought a claim against New York State in February. Now they have filed a complaint against the city of Buffalo, Erie County, and the driver who hit the family. News 4 obtained court documents showing Mark Cantor filed this latest suit on behalf of Mary and Wally Sugorovskiy on April 27th. The action says the city maintained both the 198 and Ring Road was, quote, not safe nor fit for use by the public. It goes on to call the city, quote, reckless, careless, and negligent, and says it failed to properly separate the 2 roads and, quote, failed to mitigate or reduce the danger presented by oncoming traffic. The action against the county says Erie County was also responsible for maintaining the 198 and Ring Road and also did not reduce the danger of oncoming traffic, and it failed to take action after prior accidents. It says the county, quote, should not needlessly endanger the public. The driver who hit the Sugorovskiy family is called negligent in the suit. The complaint lists the damages to Mary, Wally, Stephanie, and Maxim Sugorovskiy, including that Stephanie had been caused to suffer physical and mental injuries and, quote, extreme pain and disability. We talked to lawyer Mark Cantor, who wouldn't comment further on the lawsuit.
Now, no further action has been taken at this point. We did reach out to both the city and county for a response. Both tell us they cannot comment on pending litigation. Reporting live, Callan Gray, News 4 at 6.